straight to the action. You know what I'm saying? We about to do some back roads. Some back road POVs. And I'm about to go into track mode. Simple. And we in manual mode as well. You know how we go. Hopefully we don't get stuck behind anyone. You know what I'm saying? Cause it's still kind of early. It might be like a dude, this dude right here, man. Like, he gonna have to. Chargers is nice. He gonna have to like move. Oh yeah. It's always a dude, man. You know what I'm saying? When y'all coming around roads like this, don't be like me. You know what I'm saying? All these videos I do POV and I'm going crazy. Do not try it at home. I might go in auto just so y'all can feel and see what the auto like, you know what I'm saying? But I like downshift on my own though. But in track mode, it downshifts like aggressively. So it doesn't really need me to go stupid. You get what I'm saying with the downshifts? It's just, you know what I'm saying? But it's more fun using the paddles, bro. It's more fun using paddles. I'm not going. Bro, slowing me down, bro. Messing up the vid, bro. Fail mission, bro. Fail mission. Bro, I need to come back here when it's like dark. I'm talking about like midnight, bro. No one on the road, bro. You feel me? Right now, bro, it's not a good time at all. I might even cut this vid, man. Just because of these people in front of me. Now, I could go around them on the side, but it's like, you know what I'm saying? It's dangerous, man. I don't want to be a bad influence on the tube. I gotta entertain y'all boys and girls, man. I'm a real driver out here, man. Cruising back roads. You don't gotta go fast every time, you know. Every little corner, you don't gotta go fast. You know what I'm saying? We can kick it. Kick it, you know what I'm saying? Kick it for a little bit. My niggas turn up here. Which way? May go away. Oh yeah. Bet. Oh, you saw that animal run across the road? That's what I'm talking about. BRZ. BRZ. I think I should turn up here. stuck. I don't be stuck behind people, bro. Say goodbye. Y'all ready? Oh, hold on. This road ass. Make sure y'all go speed limit, man. Stuck behind another person. Maybe that's God saying go speed limit. Real talk. In this road. Now this might be the quickest back roads POV y'all might ever see on the tube. You know what I'm saying? I need to cut down my videos. My videos be long, but it is what it is. It is what it is. Y'all see the driving skills. Y'all see how I'm in between the lines. I ain't going over the lines except, you know what I'm saying, I purposely went over the line because the road is trash. Dang, always getting stuck behind someone, bro. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna get y'all another back roads POV, bro, where I'm not getting stuck behind someone. Light bright as a mug, bro. What's going on? Don't even gotta use the brake, man. You know what I'm saying? We going crazy if we was stuck behind Brody. Is that a car? Truck, they good. Wood's kind of scary. Whoa. Oh, that's a mirror. I don't know if I caught that on the GoPro. All I saw was red. That's all I saw. I thought it was red eyes, bro. But it was a mirror. Whew. It was a red mirror. Times I gotta say it. I love this car. Bro, you saw a dude. Oh. Dude, brake lights was tweaking. Brake lights was tweaking. You know what I'm saying? I don't know how long this POV back roads is gonna be, but you know what I'm saying? Hope y'all enjoyed the video, bro. That's all I got for y'all today, bro. Oh, no hands, bro. Watch out. Just watch. No hands, bro. Stay in 6th gear, bro. Watch this, man. Hit the subscribe button, man. Do not try this at home, bro. I'm telling you, bro. Do not try this at home. I repeat. I don't want to hear a story, you know what I'm saying, someone watching my channel and they try to do what I do. You can't do what I do. I'm Dre on a different planet. You feel me? But I hope y'all enjoyed this POV drive, man. I'm knocking out bangers after bangers for y'all, bro. So it's been your man Dre, bro, and I'm out, bro. Make sure you press that like button. I know you didn't press that like button yet, bro. Press that like button, man. I'm out, y'all. Peace.